This is a brand new 2012 Chevrolet Silverado. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Its top features include a locking rear differential, heated seats, traction control and stability control systems, a DVD player, XM satellite radio, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, air conditioning with automatic climate control, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a premium audio system, leather seats, active fuel management, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, cruise control, and chrome wheels. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.
Moritz Chevrolet Chrysler Jeep Dodge is located at 9101 Camp Bowie in Fort Worth. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.